Dibuke, he messed the word and kept an eye before. It's Yano.
You know, this thing can be just ordinary heat, accumulated heat. That's
Hello?
Hello.
Wagaji.
Me.
Longest time.
Yes, sir. I did na. KJ.
Longest time.
Gonna this your full print it.
Not that's a life ago.
Oh, to go in better. We did. Nena Yabana. KJ is one.
No, my brother.
I can see. No need to tell me. I'll just. So, Karen call Bob, just this the coin edge out. You know, but I'm attacking our pop. Okay, now pop. Okay. Okay. If you need them, my friend, you again, sound it as relaxed. I like that.
Relax.
Need to go relax. Okay. You bag cafe finally.
Adam relaxed.
Man, you bag cafe finally.
No, Bobby, my car here. I come no now. I want them.
Okay, you know, Kuziha.
I come no now. What a ginger who get on a life. When they talk down here.
In the talk again. Fatty.
Then who got on a life again. Oh, what that?
Carry a hat. Way back, Hannah near Hannah, the same people in a Puna, but they quite share the two can send the devil.
Can you answer that?
Man, the problem, well, the thing on the Abuna, Mamba Sika Mbakuber of IG had too much. Because, if we're back, I know, Quacoleta, Nata to my is allowed. Particularly request.
Again.
Oh, when I do the location. Okay, location.
I'm in the very state.
Yeah. So, when you have one name, we're very helpful. Work it out.
No, what that? I'm a homo. Ma'am, in the Quebec, oh, actually, also.
Keke we hozo. Kwechem na tato makani. Kwechem ima kwali nke tato manne. Nya ka na tato first before anowazia.
Na
Adi egwu biko. Odro mma. Ikwe ho.
Waga mu acho ho.
Hey, Fati, welcome. Ian card kwa na egwu. Hello. So, Udo, anya, na yaba. So, even more than Eku katakwa na adịrọ serious na enwe ka osidi na enwe ka osidi. You consider something.
But I mean, I'm not consider.
Okay. Ka njugoro ga ajụjụ ị ga akwa ihe ịchọ bụ ịnụ di ọkwa ya kwechi ịnụ di. Okay. Ị ga anụ di na ama ka amịa na arụ ọrụ. Let's start from that.
Mba nke awu ashe.
So kekwara ka ị ga-esi makwara na ọ na-arụ ọrụ.
Mba ị ga-eme na ọ.
Okay, ana dị serious were eme kere ya ọzọ a na-egwu abụ ọmụme ka a ga-eme.
Ihe need inwegodi affection.
Okay.
Gị na onye ahụ nwe connection before ihe na-aba because mụ anyị alụli nwoke mụ na ya mekọba ihe we need to mail that thing ka anyị maa ka odogwu ahụ dị.
Now you get the point. Fati, are you with me?
I'm with you guys. So.
Okay. So in my hand, na-ekwu ihe a ka anyị na-eko na-edo anya abịa si na ụmụ nwoke adịghị serious na ihe ha ncha na-achọ bụ ka ha But I ain't check what call it here. Now that to will benefit both parties. Okay, I know. Because you check care of ma. If you will want to know if you get your wedding to. Bro, ibuzi engine buba bro. So you got the show now. So cause you get see me, you get testing, no.
I have now feel you know. I'm going to more bribu ko perempe mo dioji ko diota.
So kwani ka ị ga-esi ma ọ bụzi ya ka a ga-eme anyị onye kwa ka anyị na-asị ka emekwakwa Fati, are you with me? Hey,
I test na ka kwuru na ma ya tokwa na ihe jiburu.
Nwoke chọrọ test, nwaanyị chọrọ test. Mana anyị na-ekwusi gaba agaba ke TV ọ dị ka anyị nwa.
Yes, gide lo. Test gide lo le mgbe ya.
Ọ bụrụ na ị ga test gide luo na mgbe. Nakwana ka esi eme ya ọ ido edo. Iwetego. Ido edo ịgbatuo. Iwetego. Ọ bụrụ ịma test kpọrọ ihe niile dị n'ụwa. Ike test board ga-eme.
Ụfọdụ na-like test ihe ha ncha niile.
Iwe ike ebe ị nọ na-etescha ha ncha niile ma test board ga-emebi gbasaa trust me, I've been there. Ị nọzịa na ị ga-anọzi na ya bụ enwere ike for the next 2 months ihe ga na-agụ ga-abụrụ nnukwu ike big one biggest size enwere ike another next 2 months ihe na-agụ ga-abụrụ slim with nnukwu ala just ịma nwezi ma spec o mgbe ọ ga-anọkọta sef ihe ga na-agụ eriwo ọnụ na-agwa gị eriwo onye ka nna asị ndị na-ete onye ka nna enye ndị na-etesti ndụmọdụ o nwee ebe ọ ga-abụ iru iriwo ọnụ idizia ọdazi ma mmazi nke bụ nke ọ bụla ibutere so ọ na-adị mma onye na-etesti ị na-etesti ya 1 2 3 4 mana ọkwa iji aka gị pute na ị ga-etesti ebe a ọ mụnye gị go ahead kwa iji aka gị kwuo
mba mụ have to test because o mere ndị gwụ isi ka anyị chee godi till wedding night bụrụ na amụ a na-ekilite efe incest ọkpọtọba ọrụ na
oke o dogo anyị anya na ị chọrọ uje gaa na-akwa aka kedu ife ndị ọzọ dị gị mkpa kedu ife ndị ọzọ ga-adị gị mkpa na dị guy abịa na yes
ọ ya adị n'ojii ọ ya adị ojii na he'll be dark now.
Okay, ọ ga-adị dark tall ọ ga-adị tall
oh so tall like that ka ihe anụwa
okay onye abụrụ nke ukwu isi
ọ ya adị too slim I'm not like one ndị dị slim
oh you don't like ndị dị slim
mba I'm not like ndị dị slim ana m like ndị dị slim na-ebu amụkwu like I jump to destroy channel
eche ma na eche kazi ọbọzi ofu club a
mba
club nke ọ dị
gịrịgịrị akweghị ndị dị gbara ha ọsọ amụ ha na-ebu too much
eche ma popular demand Fati ọbọzi eziokwu kezi ya na-ekwu
ọ popular demand
Imante will spec him. He must spec him. Akwai huru that very dark man spec. That very dark man. That guy spec him. Is your now the connection made disconnect.
Akwai ihe ikwuru na confirm something to me. Unjụọ gị ha just gwa m eziokwu. Ijigo that guy fia cannot. Eziokwu.
But that guy just my spec.
Oh ya ka nna agwa gị video ya karịrị akarị online. Ogo nke ịgbakwere were fia something. Nwaanyị kwuke n'eziokwu. Anyị ma ihe a. We know these things. Akwa mmadụ ka anyị bụ. Ọ na-agbakwunye call a day you singlet can.
I got just suppose spec your GIA example.
But
Oh, what is signal on your
no, I'm just saying. Okay, Janiza. Okay, Janiza. No problem, no problem. Okay, okay, no.
I'm cake is a fuzam.
Okay, okay.
Telegram. You know, you understand.
Okay.
Oh, this one is cool.
Okay, I'm gonna go now. This thing.
Boss assume okay, do picture why I want to when they do picture okay I want.
Cause you na-ejibu abọ. Kedu ihe unu na-ejibu abọ? Ka ihe unu na-eji abọ ka njikere.
Amakwamo, you only could have been just the imagine. That means so they kill okay
No, I've never used I'm never used no to do
that. I'm not just saying you like the example.
I'm not just saying you. The example. Hey,
What example? I mind you a very dark man be a donor. I also oye do like that. On I like you can do now.
Okay.
So I go and have believe bundi doji.
Okay.
But
based on testing.
Dark.
Okay. Dark the ma. Okay. Dark. Okay.
Don't I like
pocket
doji.
Okay.
But I like okay daughter.
Okay. Oga Natanji oga na-eji.
Oga dinji. In fact, dinji ya badasa.
That's in KGP. What time we change rod black. Rod.
It's an uncle question.
Eziokwu nkụ maka ọnwa ọbụla ọkụ ga-anọ n'isi ya. With the whole rough edges dịrị ha.
Hey, good.
So, ihe ịchọ abịakwa too bogus like that. Okay, ọ ga-adị mma n'akpa ya. Okay, akpa ga-adị ya.
So just these three things. So you do, you know.
Okay, audio G. Sexy Henry, I'm not forget. Okay, audio G. Ọdị mma n'akpa.
Akpa. N'enu bed kwa.
Dịkwa mma n'enu bed. Okay, these three things. Audio G. Ọdị mma n'akpa. Dị mma n'enu akwa. Okay.
Yeah, the complete.
The problem nọ na ya bụ na enwere ike
360 na asịkwanụ m 360
o nwere ike ọ dị mma n'enu akwa problem dị na ya enwere ike ọ dị mma n'enu akwa ịghọtago
ọma ndị mma na-akpa
nwekwa n'ike ọ dị mma na-akpa cheka nwepụ comment section na mabụrụ anya haro
ọ dịkwa sexy
na-agwa gị eziokwu na
ọ bụkwa nke iru gwaga
nekwa ihe ike na-eme jegedegedegede ọgụnụ dị ya nke a bụkọ
ike egwu
mgbe onye na-ọda anụ nne na-ọda anụ nwere efe na-eme ịkwapụ na-ọda anụ ịta ọchịchị na-ọda anụ na ịkwapụ Sezi Henry na-egopụ baagị Sezi Henry fụ ihe ọ na-akụrụ na-egopụ baagị nsị gị nne ọ daba anụ isi na oke ego ga-adị ya na anya ka m gwa
eziokwu ọ na-afụchazi ụzọ
ihe mmadụ bụ afụrụ ijidere ya n'ego onye si admin goodness ijidere ya n'ego ife dị mma na anyị na ego dị na mma ife ọka nwatakịrị egwu agị na ego ijekwa ine na ịfụ na ihe ego ka a na-eme egwu o zuru ezu ndị a na-ewegharị ncha akwa ya ka m gwara unu.
Please don't bring sexy Henry. Henry blocked me.
Sexy
Sexy Henry, I can block it.
Sexy Henry.
I just want to block it.
Says Henry ejigo a lot of fuel. Buncha. Says Henry, my man. Yeah, I don't know. I can't get it. I don't know. I'm selling.
Hello.
People are the worker and cha. Umazi the man. Umazi na about the man. The tin notice. Hello, good evening. Ụmụ juru eju ebe niile na-achọ nwoke biko nụ. Kedu ihe bụ ihe a?
Nwoke anọzi.
Kedu ihe na-eme?
Ọbụla m jideziri ugbu a nụwa I will hold him tight.
Hey!
Eziokwu ụmụ nwoke anọzi ugbu a nke ọbụla ijila jide ya ike.
Onye agọrọ efe dị na.
It's okay.
Biko kedu ife merenụ? What's the problem? Fati. Kedu ihe mere?
Ọkwa hụrụ na owere anyị nọ sef.
Ma ọ bụrụ ihe mere bụ na ihe ọ na-achịkọwa bụ na ọ bụrụ na ụmụ nwoke anọzi, you understand, ụmụ nwoke karị dey plenty. But ọ na-achịkọwa maybe ihe ọ chọrọ na nwoke adịrị, you understand. Maybe nwoke dị lovely, jide ego, dị caring.
Okay, complete package.
Ọ bụrụ na amụ adịghị, amụkarị. Mana ihe ọ na-afụzi na maybe ndị ka erie anaghị nwoke a bịa aracha anaghị ha ma nna anọ. Ọ bụ ụmụnwoke karị na spek ya adịbe nke ahụ ọ na-achọ.
Ịmana aghọtara m ihe na-ekwu nne m because ihe na-eme na this kind situation bụ na o nwere ike ka ọ fụzie onye nke dị otu ahụ ihe niile ahụ ọ chọrọ. Enwere ike nwe mgbe ị ga-abịa inwetacha ihe niile ọ dị mma na bed, ọ dị mma na akpa, dịkwuo oji, bịazie ọ bụghị nke gị not your own.
O mere nke m na ya kụchatụrụ the other time. O were n'iwe because onye awụ.
Absolutely, I will not walk.
M na ya kụrụ ihe na-adịghị mma.
Mana ihe mee bụ na ewekwa ndidi ga-afụkwa ahụ. Ịghọtawa ga na ọ na-afịa.
Ọ bụghị ya.
Eziokwu.
Mgbe ya onu bịa ị ga-afụ. Iwe nke onye ọzọ mere nke gị na
iwere nke onye ọzọ mere okwu ya ka eji eje okwu ya bụ court case enwere rucha 500 about the same issue. Kedu na ihe ọ bụ? He has a girlfriend. Onye ka nna agwa gị most of the time.
Ewe girlfriend onye ka mmi na di m ekwukwe di mmadụ na-ekwu ndị we girlfriend ọ bụrụ nke like ọsị gị onye ọgụ maka na ewe process of
girlfriend abi
na you still have chance because onye hanu be no ya hanu na
so I try to him there because our girlfriend call nwunye.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Adimma.
First give a tapa. We are gonna find every one night.
Good evening.
Hi. Can I find Kevin?
After me, I am Germany.
Why in Germany? Welcome.
If I am Japanese. Welcome. Because everyone on a tunnel.
Madam na passage.
Passage.
Ebe corridor.
Oh, on a move. Abune gaja, high one toilet, little toilet.
Toilet.
Ever volume ever had a shower bright. Acquire buying. Well, they like you already. How the Congo came to about touch na your page when it's young city here. Yeah?
How do you together?
My account, okay?
Hannah see You're so cute. You're so cute.
Oh,
You're
Thank
so cute. Mbabuma, I can't make you any day, anytime. Eh?
you.
In this whole world universe, everyone mono. The only people not to Muslim nine again. Yeah, that's a baba. You are going on now. Yeah, na. O ma si Igbo the mma happen the more. So nne ịnọ na tunnel. I wish you ga-anọ ebe dị to a bit
Come
no.
for.
Poor.
I'm school. I'm na school hostel. On here, Miriam.
Carry school, go to school come here. Uncle ma akwụkwọ.
I'm born university here.
Nne ị na-atakwa ndị isi wee mmadụ ga-ejikwa ihe na-ata iche na ọ na-ata ya ore agbọwa ncha
Imagine
nwere
that
ka isi
I'm in a
atawara
hostel,
dị
so
oh
it's
okay
never too much.
oh
I'm so favorite.
just somewhere ọ bụrụ na akụ somewhere
see, where is my soap, Waga? What your
ọ ya
body
ka nna gwa gị ọ bụrụ ị ga-eche na ọ just na ọ na-ata ihe because afọ nke o si wee taa the tin o nwere ka o si taa the tin ama mmiri ọtịa nna gwa gị mmadụ ewere ya kịta just fiodo isi ya mgbe na-abịa kwamkwam time a na-aga
she go right side. When come
before ị na-amị ya na-aga o shoot o something zuo ike for the night nna agwa gị na most of ka m gwa gị eziokwu most of problem na-efesi na afọ oke mkpebi na most of them these days self that's ndị nke fọrọ afọ na-anụbeghị nwaanyị ụfọdụ n'ime ha ụjọ na-atụzi ihe a na-asị kama ha agbọzie ncha zuo ike ka njigoro gị eziokwu kedu ihe iche ime Pornhub OnlyFans ụmụ ihe a niile ji agara afịa onye nọ
Some people just crazy. Some people just want to be naughty.
onye ka nna agwana gị na afọ ọzọ ụmụ nwoke nna elugo somewhere biko
Don't worry.
Fati are you
Hello? Yeah, I'm with you.
so o nwere ihe m chọrọ ịjụ
Open.
ụdị boyfriend unu na-achọ na boyfriend unu na-achọ na you ever chọta that kind of guy now
Okay, go sit down, Jerry. Go.
chọta one kind guy now like fall try and love everything now work okay
Sleep.
ọra agọ everything machine ịmago aka dịkwu ife niile dị okay then ịmago ọsị gị na ịma na-epost kwa some kind things in Instagram
Chineke.
No, my ihe na-post okay no my ihe na-post
na-post dị ndụ ọmụ na-post ihe dị bad
okay
and besides
mbana the thing nọ na ya bụ na ka ọ sicha ga post yanwa na onwe ya ịmago ọfụkwa ụmụ picture dị anya ọ na like ya ọfụkwa ụmụ picture dị anya ọ na like kwakwa ịghọtago so onye ka nna ajụ how will you feel in that kind of situation you ga-adị okay
More I can do call this lady no here.
Fati ka nna ajụ na where can do zo na ajụ
I feel very bad now. I will feel very bad.
Why?
Waga.
Why?
Now,
not like a preacher.
Let me tell you one thing. You know this thing I draw easy. You understand? So whereby you try to acknowledge or respect him, in as much as this is your lifestyle, maybe he's trying to misunderstand him, but out of love or because you love him, you want to respect him and you want to obey him. You understand? Then asirokwa mu ebe nga di bad asirokwa m no like ya picture ndi bad o the picture da nga like ebe nwa yi buara post picture mo buru ike o bu no like kind of business stuff or all this content in our time, you understand? Even if self no
yeah, Bluesian comedian.
yes. I don't understand.
They're gonna have the push.
No, I want to know why is it like no, just let me just tell us.
What a business content.
What up we have respect to go come here and pussy also make post. Abi understand? Respect or you can get them their Instagram for na go like share me what I like. Even you get that respect. So abuna another difficult, you know, like if we go ahead receive business content.
But my sexy
Maracho major. Major na because for you to be liking and be seeing all those things, I like it. What may go beyond this life understanding. Yes, you may understand. Besides that, we are not. Oh, I'm a man does, but few people are not posting just to get attention. Niye name is the attention and maybe if you're beautiful or you have bump or you have breast, but this is what you want. This is what makes you happy. You just snap picture, you post, you create content. That is making so any man that is coming close to you should know that this is your lifestyle. Born nobody else. Maniga full okay. If you
Ima mbe ihe na-ekwu dị n'ọda. Onwe na afụ ha na-ede na comment section. Ara nipple. Ara nipple. Ọ maka ihe aka nji wesi na nwoke nwe ihe nwoke ji behavior nwaanyị eme mostly. Ara nipple ọ ihe na-akụ ha n'isi. Ara nipple.
Ara self
most ndị oke mkpi n'ebe a bụ ara nipple. Ara nipple. A ga-afụkwa ara, a ga-afụkwa nipple. Hey! Oya call gonna what ya Jimmy?
Hey Waga, how are you?
Good.
What's going on?
Hello.
Good. We here.
Hi.
We right.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, there you go. We good. How's it going? This is Ngozeka in the house.
It's Sunday, so shopping.
Yeah, you know.
What you say?
She said you are the one that accommodate dogs.
The dog.
Yeah. She's a dog lover.
So what's the topic for today?
Okay. It's very simple. You are here, but you came at the wrong time. We are looking for breast.
I came at the wrong time.
Yeah, because right now all they are asking for is nipple, breast, nipple.
Oh, breast. I don't understand. What do you mean breast?
I'm telling you, if you look at the comment section for a little while, you will start seeing nipple, breast, nipple.
Breast. Why are they talking about breast? What's up with breast?
My dear, they just want to see. They tell me today is Sunday. We have something serious we are talking about. They still want to see breast.
Today's Sunday. You know, there's no Sunday.
See, listen. I asked a question. I say, if you have a very good guy you are dating, you like him, and he's on Instagram, liking pictures. Him go liking other girls' picture. You know.
Oh no.
Okay.
How?
That's a problem.
Why?
Because the only picture that he needs to be liking is me.
Hey.
So are you the only person on Instagram? You look at other people.
I'm just
what
joking.
guy? See this thing.
I'm just joking. He can like any picture he wants.
No,
Because I know he's not
no,
going
you don't understand that question very well. He will stop you
Okay.
from doing Instagram. Like, he will stop
Yes,
you from posting your
you
pictures.
you will not post. You will not be posting all those teasing something. You will not
But
What I said
post.
again.
you
What I
will
said
be
again.
going
Say it again.
around.
You will not post any teasing, any posing. You will not post. Put
You
your
will not
nyash
post
like this and
your
post.
picture. In fact, you will just be on social media on a blank. You will not just, but you will be busy liking other people's picture.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I don't know. That's a weird question.
Okay.
If he's liking other people's picture, you know, he's not commenting. Just ordinary like.
I mean, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. If you just,
Ordinary
like
like.
other people.
Yeah, ordinary like. Because
Yeah.
as you are now, when you post a picture, if you post a picture, you expect some kind likes, Abby.
Yeah.
At least in thousands, if possible.
Uh-huh.
People's own follow the like that picture.
Yeah, there's
People's
nothing wrong with that.
Let's see.
no. Some people say they don't like them.
They don't, why?
Eh?
Why?
That is disrespecting them, at least making them go and compete themselves with the woman.
No, I mean, if you already know who you are, so there's no need for all that,
How come these boys are busy focusing on your lips, Ngozi? I don't like the way they are talking about it.
My Nigerian lips.
They are looking at your lips like jam. Is that eh? Ngozi?
Well, guys, is it my fault that I have a big lips?
It's not just that it's big is the problem. It's what they are foreseeing with the lips.
You know what's so funny? Every time I go to like Nigerian, Igbo lounge or Igbo party, and then I meet a guy. Do you know what he said? He said, "I bet your PUSS is beautiful, just like your lips."
Yes, that's what they believe.
I'm like,
Again, you are just an erotica, you know.
She's
Yes,
not.
she's not. She's naughty. This one,
She's
very,
naughty.
very naughty. Yeah, I know.
I mean, you have to be naughty. Why not?
We can never say no to naughtiness.
You can never say no to naughtiness.
We the men, we can never. We are the last set of people to say no to naughtiness.
Exactly.
Even if they say if you say no to naughtiness, we can never.
Exactly.
So be naughty all you can, as far as a man is concerned. But once they
I'm close today. See, I'm close. No, nothing.
That's the problem. They've been looking at you. That's why they are holding on to lips. At least let them use lips and help themselves.
Yeah, they can come to the lips. They can work on that.
Is it really true that
is it what?
Is it really true that if the lips is beautiful, the contours will be beautiful?
Is it really what?
Is it really true that if the lips is beautiful, that the contours will be beautiful too?
Oh yeah, of course. 100.
So as he did here like this, now so he did here.
Of course.
Exactly like this. Where they look at like this.
Everything, Marama.
I mean, do we have to keep going?
Hey. What?
Fresh.
What?
What did she say?
I said what?
No, what did she say? I didn't hear what she said.
He said my what is somehow.
That what? We need to look into it.
Right.
People are going as far as saying that lips is gonna be bad in the balls.
You know what happened when I'm from Delta State, so Delta, we have beautiful lips.
What's with the lips, man? Come on. What's with this lip? Okay, what can these lips do? What can these lips do?
What can he do?
Yes.
Savage.
Hey. Savage.
I'll show you what you can do. I'll show you what you can do. You see, this is what you can do.
Hey.
That's what it can do. It's called damage control.
Hey.
Collusion control.
The thing fit up nicely. See as the thing just align.
Where is the damn grape over here?
Hey.
You're so funny, Waga.
But you've seen
what else do you do with lips? Tell me, what else do you do with lips?
Hey.
It's only two things, right?
I actually say kiss.
Okay, so kiss with it.
After kiss, what else do you do with it? And after that, what else would you do with it?
Car wash. Guys, and why am I this? Why spray? That's what I recommend.
What do you recommend?
If you go down there and it's not presentable the way you like it, push the person.
Never had a problem, my dear.
No, that's what I'm saying. She's asking me a question. I say, if you go down there, order presentable. Get in a bedroom and pour water, just like somebody that came to car wash.
Oh, you can start down, man.
Shaka. Why you got more wipe everything down. You go to sparkle. You go to sparkle. You say, now I can balance and eat it up. Man, shit.
What are you?
After all, I mean, what's up by myself?
Right.
I did it right. I know what I did. I'm not trust.
I'm done.
Yeah. But consider it now. Fatina, like. You know, this thing can be just ordinary heat, accumulated heat. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Some babes in that. Una case we some niggas in that.
Of course. Normal. When you wear boxers or when you wear all those things, your warigada will contract some things. So if it's like that, just say why I'm mirroring. Take it upon yourself. Mba eziokwu na Igbo land n'ebe a da like ka ngo ya Igbo land na like. On shock.
Wow, I'm sorry. I'm shopping. That's what I'm doing.
No, yeah. No, my dear, shop along. It's just that they were asking how many cucumber did you buy.
Oh, I love cucumber. I eat it all the time. I don't use it for anything. I just cook.
But we are
Okay.
not. You see, we are not saying you use it for anything. That's not the
Because I know how people be swigging.
Hi.
Cucumber is my favorite.
Eh.
Yeah. Who works here?
Okay.
Cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber is good.
I feel like them only do 360. Who now who be 360 medicines?
A little bit kwa standing machine. Standing machine.
That's what me
It's Megan.
That's what me get on.
Okay, it's again. Buddha, approve. Nigerian. Go ahead.
Much of it, like ordinary so congealed.
Hey,
you
need to open.
Come where you know man, I know my one again alive. The more I mean, so no.
They have so much stuff here. What I'm sucking at.
See, and only cucumber side you they go since.
I beg. No. Fruit. I'm looking for fruit.
It's okay, sorry. But you don't look for the long fruits. You go find pawpaw. You sugar cane.
No, I'm looking for fruit. You bad.
Yeah?
I'm looking for fruit, different type of fruit.
Okay.
Oh my God. Fuck on it. Okay. We permit you. No problem. No problem. Inya yo di odro bad. Said there na WhatsApp. Inya yo di. Na inya yo di. Then na WhatsApp group for the bad. Yeah. All the ego. I don't want to hope in your this studio. I'm sorry. Get the fuck out of it.
I like that name, fuck at it. Is that how you call her, fuck at it?
That's how
Fuck at it.
You say fuck at it.
Is that what you say, fuck at it?
Fuck at it.
Fuck at it. Fuck at it. I bet that name is sweet too.
Fuck at it.
Fuck at it.
Hi guys, good evening.
You see, I'm not. They don't call me prefer that nonsense name.
They don't leave my better name. They call me Fokri.
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 Oh, okay. So it's Fokri.
Fokri. Fokri.
It's still a beautiful name.
She's a beautiful girl. That's why
she's beautiful.
That's why she has a beautiful name. And a very notorious lips too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm shy. Stop it, please.
Why?
Shy. Shy.
I'm shy.
We were that behind closed door. You may give one.
The most important thing is when they will, let me ask you, are you a giver or a receiver?
Who,
I
me?
know.
Me?
Yes, I know Fokari will give her. Yes, Fokari will.
I'm 69 all day.
Hey, all day.
No.
Because I can't just give. We both gotta. We both gotta give each other.
Okay.